In today's video, we will see how we can create monthly and yearly leave tracker or annual leave tracker. This leave tracker will be fully automated and most of the things will be formulated. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. I created this leave tracker for one of my clients couple of days back and thought to share with you. This is our monthly leave tracker. For 12 months, we have got 12 sheets, and in the end, we have got annual leave summary, where we will be able to see all the leaves for the whole year, how many leaves are allowed, and what's the leave balance. When we come to one specific month, over here the months will be managed through dropdown. And when we come to right hand side, years will also be managed through dropdown. Once we will change the month, February, the days as well as dates will be changed. Even the holidays will change automatically. Employee code, employee name and designation will be managed from setting sheet. Even the holidays and their dates will be managed through setting sheet. Over here we have got drop down to select our holidays, which is connected from the setting sheet. Whenever the leaves will be changed over here, it will automatically change in the drop downs. Even when the leaves will be changed in setting sheet, it will be changed over here. In case you want more or less leaves, you will have to do the changes in setting sheet. Suppose I'll delete all these from here and will come in my monthly sheet. It got automatically deleted from the monthly summary. When we will come to the left hand side, we can see the changes in our drop down list also. On the top we have got two buttons, one of summary. When we will click on the summary, we are on summary part, and when we will click on first date, we are on the very beginning of the sheet. Let's start creating a new sheet now. I'll close this and will open a new workbook. Over here I have just created the outline. In the very beginning, we will have to create a setting sheet where we will have dates, holidays, means we will have holidays list, employee ID along with their name, designation, leaves along with codes, months and year. All the things I have taken in columns, but leaves and their codes I have taken in rows. The basic reason behind taking these in rows, whenever we want to reduce or increase our leaves and their codes, we will have to drag it and all the things will be automatically updated. So let's create the sheet for 1 month and later we will create 12 sheet for 12 months. We will have to start from here, means B3. We will merge this. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. It will be month and year. We will click on the cell. We will go to home and will wrap the text. Over here we will create drop down for months. We will click on the cell. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will go to setting sheet. We'll take this in left side and we'll select months from Jan to December and we'll do OK. So the drop down list for months got created. Now we will click on next cell. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will go to setting sheet. We'll take this in left and we'll select years from top to bottom and we'll do OK. So the drop down list for years got created. Now we will select both. We'll go to home and we'll put a desired color. We'll go to fonts and we'll select impact. Over here we will put serial number. We will select the whole sheet and we'll wrap the text. Now we will select both these cells and we'll merge it. We'll merge all these cells. This will be employee code, employee name, designation. We will increase the font size. Now we will select all these and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We will select these and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. Over here we will insert the dates. The formula for first day and rest of the days will be totally different. So you will have to see the formula very minutely. Formula for first day is plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select month from here and we will select the year. To make the dates dynamic, we will have to select month and year from the top. Bracket close and we will hit enter. We will adjust the cell size. We haven't got the first date, instead we got some random number. We will click over here, we'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll take this up, we'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So our first date is over here now. Formula for second date will be totally different. Let me increase the cell size so the formula will be visible properly. Plus or equal to if bracket open first date, we will insert dollar between F and 4 is smaller than EO month, bracket open. We will select the first date once again. We'll freeze this by pressing function F4, comma 0, bracket close, comma first date plus 1. The basic reason behind putting plus 1 over here, when we will drag our date, it will automatically add 1 to rest of the days. Means 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 and so on. Comma, double inverted comma. When the month will end, means after last date, it should show EOM, end of the month. In the month of February, after 28, it should be showing EOM, end of the month. So we will put EOM over here for end of the month. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random number once again. We will right click the mouse, format cells. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format. We will take this in center. We will adjust our column size. Now we will drag this till end. We are getting some error over here because our cell size is smaller than the dates. We will select this, means we will select all the dates. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll take this up. We'll go to custom. We'll delete this and we'll type DD, means D 2 times, and we'll do OK. Now we are able to see 1, 2, 3, 4 and we are not able to see month and year. Our month and year is already over here, so it's not required in these dates. In case you want to put, you can. Over here we will put the formula for days and the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We will select our first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this till end. Serial number. We will put serial number over here and we'll drag this till end. Fill series, employee code, plus or equal to, we will go to the setting sheet and we'll click on very first employee ID and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Employee name. We will use the formula of VLOOKUP over here. In case you have got any confusion in lookup, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, you'll get video regarding this on my channel. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value, employee code will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to setting sheet and we'll select employee ID, name and designation. We'll press function F4 and our cells will be logged. Comma, name is in column number 2, 1, 2, so we will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got the name over here of the employee. Designation. Again we will use the formula of VLOOKUP or function of VLOOKUP. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value, employee code will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to setting sheet and we'll select from employee ID till designation. We'll press function F4 to lock the cells, comma 3 because the designation is in column number 3, 1, 2, 3, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will select both and we'll drag this till end. Now we will create drop downs for our leaves. We will go to setting sheet, and over here we have got leaves and leaf codes. So we have to put codes in our drop downs. We'll go to the month of January. We'll select from first date till last date, and from top to bottom we'll go to data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will go to setting sheet. We'll take this in left and we will select all the leaf codes. We will take few cells extra, so in case you will have to insert more leaf codes or leaves, you can insert it very easily and you will not have to change the range. Okay, so our leaf codes are over here. Since we haven't created drop down for last employee, we will select this and we'll drag this down. So our drop downs got created. In case we will add or remove any leaves from here, the changes will automatically feature in the drop downs. Now we will select our whole sheet. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, we will put one leave code over here, SL means sick leave. We will click on drop down, Custom Format, Fill, and from here we will select a desired color. We'll change the font color. We'll select yellow and we'll do OK. OK. So now whenever we will select SL, it will be highlighted automatically. So we will have to do this for all the codes. As you understood the example, you can do it very easily. Let's move ahead. I'll delete this. Now we will highlight our weekends, means Saturday and Sunday. We will select the whole sheet, means from first date till last date, and from top to bottom. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting. We will go to New Rule. From here we will select Classic. And now we will select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. We will take this down and our formula will be plus or equal to, bracket open. We will select our first day. We'll remove dollar from beginning is equal to double inverted comma SAT double inverted comma close, bracket close. We will copy this formula, Control C or Command C, plus we will paste the formula over here. And from here we will remove Saturday and we'll put Sunday, means SUN, and we'll do OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted from top to bottom. If you will not select the whole sheet, it will not be highlighted from top to bottom. Now we will highlight our holidays. But before highlighting the holidays, we will have to insert the holidays. I'll click over here, just above the first date, and we'll insert the formula for holidays. Over here also we are going to use VLOOKUP, plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. First date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will be going to setting sheet and we'll select dates and holidays from top. The basic reason behind selecting dates and holiday list from top, in case our holiday list will be changed, either increased or decreased, we will not have to change our range again and again. We will press function F4 and our cells will be logged. Comma. Name of holidays are in column number 2. 1, 2. So we will put 2 over here. Comma. 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So the name of first holiday is over here. Before dragging this to right, we will have to insert the criteria of if error. In case we will not insert the criteria of if error, let's see what will happen. I'll drag this and we got some error over here. So to avoid this error, we will have to put if error. The basic reason behind getting this error, there's no value against these dates or there's no holidays against these dates. So we will go to our formula bar and we'll put the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this to end and all the errors got vanished. We will leave this selected, we'll go to home, Conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic, and from here we will have to select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be, we will take this down, plus or equal to, we will select this cell, we'll remove the dollar from center, not equal to, for not equal to we will insert smaller than, greater than, not equal to blank. So for blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. We'll take this up, we'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill. From here we will select desired color and we'll do OK. OK. We will do one thing, we will go to conditional formatting, manage rules, we will click on this rule, edit rule, we will delete dollar from beginning and we'll put dollar between F and 3. We'll click on custom format, we'll go to font, color and we will select black color and we'll do OK. 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 So our leaves got highlighted. Whenever the month will change, leaves and highlights will change automatically. We will do it January. Let's highlight our month ends also. Let's do this February for now. I'll select this from top. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. We'll take this down and our formula will be plus or equal to. We will select first day, we'll remove the dollar from beginning, is equal to double inverted comma EOM, means end of the month, double inverted comma close. We'll take this up, we'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill. From here we will select red color, we'll go to font and we'll select red color for font also and we'll do OK. OK. So our month ends got highlighted. When the months will be changed, January, the highlights will vanish automatically. April, after 30th, it got highlighted. Now let's come to right hand side. But before coming to right hand side, let's create button to jump from beginning to end. Let's put a name over here for the sheet. I'll select this and we'll merge the cells. This is monthly leave tracker. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. We'll unmerge this and we'll merge till year. We will go to insert, illustrations, shapes and we'll select a desired shape. We'll click over here. We'll increase the shape size and we'll decrease the height. We'll change the color of shape. We'll do it black and we'll change the font color as white. Over here we will type summary. We'll click on the shape. We'll take this in center and mid. We'll increase the font size. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll decrease the size of the shape. Now we will copy this, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll come to right hand side and we'll paste over here. We'll take this little bit up. Perfect. Now we have to remember two cell numbers. One of here means AB2 and second cell number will be our F2. F2 and AB2. We will click over here. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. We will click on the center, this document, and over here we will type AB2 and we'll do OK. From here we will take cell number as F2. Now we will click over here and we jump to the summary. And over here we will type first date. We'll click on the shape, we'll right click the mouse, hyperlink, this document, and over here we will type F2 and we'll do OK. Now whenever we will click on first date, we jump to first date. We'll take this in left, we'll click just under first day, we'll go to view and we'll freeze the panes. Now whenever we will move to right hand side, names, employee ID and employee code will be fixed. When we will click on summary, we are in summary, first date and we are on first date. Perfect. Let's go to summary. So this is our last date. We will merge this. We'll go to home. merge. This is total leaves. We'll increase the font size. We'll put some color over here. Now we will click over here and we'll select this till end. We'll go to borders, no border, and we'll take outside border only. We have to click over here, plus or equal to, we'll go to setting sheet and we'll select first leaf and hit enter. Now we will drag this down and we got our leaf code. We'll take this in center and we'll drag this till end. We'll go to borders once again, no border, and we'll give outside border. We'll increase the font size. We'll adjust the column size. We'll select all the codes and we'll increase the size. Perfect. Now we will put our borders over here, outside border. We will put some desired colors. We'll change the font color. We'll change color for all our leaves and leaf codes. We'll adjust the column size. Now we will insert the formulas. Formula for total leaves will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We will select from first leaf till last leaf. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center. We'll decrease the font size. Now we will drag this down. Formula for casual leaf and rest of the leaves will be same. Plus or equal to countif, bracket open, range. Our range will be from first date till last date. We'll put dollar before F and we'll put dollar before AJ. Comma. Criteria. We will select this as our criteria. We'll put dollar between AL4. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will reduce the font size. We'll do it 12. We'll come to right hand side. We'll drag this down. We will drag this till end. So all the formulas got captured. Our Sundays are over here. So we will delete the first row, means formula from the first row. We'll select this and we'll merge it. We'll do it for all the columns. Now let's check our formula. Let's put something over here, CL, and our CL is getting calculated. Let's do one thing. Let's select this, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to 0. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, font, color as white. Whenever it will be 0, nothing will be visible. Okay. So I have selected one CL over here, total casual leaf 1 and total leaves 1. I'll select something over here, SL, casual leaf 1, sick leaf 1, so total leaves got 2. So our formula is working properly. Now we will do one thing. We will click on the month's name, we'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to end. Let me take this up, move to end, create a copy, OK. Now we will select both by pressing shift, right click the mouse, move or copy, move to end, create a copy, OK. And in this way we will create 12 sheet for 12 months. So 12 sheet for 12 months got created. We will rename the sheet. First one will be January, second will be February, March, and we'll rename it till December. So we changed name of all the months. We will change the months from here also. This will be December, November, and we'll change name of all the months in the same way. So 12 sheet for 12 months got created. Now we have to create our summary sheet or annual sheet. We'll click on December. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy. We'll come down, move to end, create a copy, OK. And this will be our annual. We will come to the first date. We'll delete our summary button. We'll select from first date till last date and we'll delete it. We will delete the formulas from here. We will delete this button also. Our months and years are not required, so we will delete this. We'll delete monthly leaf tracker. We'll merge this. This will be our annual leaf tracker or summary. We'll increase the font size. We will insert two columns over here. We'll merge this and we'll drag this to right. So both the cells got merged. This will be total allowed leaves. We'll decrease the font size. And this is leaf balance. By mistake, I had done this in the month of January. So we will rename this as annual. And we will make annual sheet as January. We'll change month from here. We'll take January in the very beginning. And we'll take our annual sheet in the extreme right hand side. Now we will connect all our sheets. Plus or equal to, we'll go to January and we'll click over here on first total leave. Plus February, we'll click over here and in the same way we will connect all the months. And we'll hit enter. So all our leaves got connected. Now we will drag this till end. 0 is not visible over here because in previous sheet we had done color of 0 as white through conditional formatting. But our formulas are visible. If we will do some entry in months, it will be visible in annual sheet also. Total leaves TL SL. Total leaves allowed. I'll take some random figures over here. 20. We'll take this in center and we'll drag this till end. Leaf balance. The formula will be plus or equal to total allowed leaves minus total leaves taken. And we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center and we'll drag this down. We will do this total leaves taken. So our monthly and annual leave tracker is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box in case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.